Bro, bitch ass nigga. Bro, stop! Bro, word to my mother, you do this shit in my room, I'm gonna be dumb tight, bro. I swear to God, bro. Word to my mother, there won't be no crib. All my life, there wouldn't be a crib. All my life, there would not be a crib. Alright, what am I mother? I swear to God, y'all gonna hate me, bro.